Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my channel is all things lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. So I just wanted to pop in and share with you a quick vegan recipe. It's simple, it's easy. I am vegan. I've been vegan for about 1.5 years now, plant-based to be specific. I do still wear, leather or use leather. I still don't play about my animals though. Don't hurt my animals. But I am not an ethical vegan. I am a nutritional vegan, meaning I eat all plant-based. So this was just something quick that I threw together and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna show this because people think all I eat is lettuce. So let me show them that I can still have a little bit of fun and I can still have junk food. I don't do it often, but when I'm craving something just really bad, I know how to do it really well. And that is the key to health, is knowing where to kind of substitute certain things that may be horrible for you with something that's just not too bad for you. And now we'll go into the cooking portion, or if we can call it that. Okay guys, just coming to you really quick with this video. I'm gonna be making some vegan nachos. So just gonna be using these. Tostito chips, hint of lime. Okay, let me just wash my hands. Just gonna put some chips here. I think that's good. The only vegan cheese I like so far is this brand. So it's not really easy to use because it's in slices. But we'll get it done some kind of way. So that was just about 1/2 of a slice. And this is 60 calories per slice. So that's only about 30 calories of cheese right there. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and up the ante and do a full 60 here. That would only be 90 calories in cheese, which isn't that bad. You gotta pick and choose your battles. Do you want to have something that's cheesy, or can you not live, or can you live without having the cheese so that you can save some calories? So sometimes I will opt to not use cheese because I'd rather save those calories for something else, if that makes sense. Okay, so the oven is currently preheating. And when it is done, we will pop this in. In the meantime, I'm going to get all my toppings and everything together. So while this preheats, I'm gonna just kind of show you guys what I will be putting on mine. So for starters, I'm gonna be using these Trader Joe's refried beans. They are vegan. I've had them before. They're really good. The thing with vegan cheese is it needs to melt. So I'm not putting anything but the actual cheese and chips in there for a minute. And then I'm going to warm up all these ingredients and put them on, and then maybe pop it in the broiler. We'll see. Like I said, I have not done this before. So, but yeah, Trader Joe's for the win. Kind of hard for you to see, but it did melt pretty good. That is the beans, and then I'm just gonna top it with this. I realized the sauce I had is expired, so I'm gonna use this roasted tomatillo and mango salsa from Trader Joe's. It's pretty good. It's like a green salsa, but you know, we're improvising here. I also have plant-based or vegan sour cream. It is actually pretty fabulous, people. It's pretty good. All right, and this is the finished product. I added some of this too, just to give it a little something. Now, of course, you can add vegan ground beef. You can add vegan chicken, all that other kind of stuff. I'm kind of trying to not eat any processed food. The vegan cheese that I used is actually it's cashew cheese. So it's cheese made from cashews. So all of this is completely and total plant-based, and it's not processed. I do eat like Beyond Meats and chicken strips and all that kind of stuff too, don't get me wrong, but today I just kind of wanted to keep it simple, just with, you know, something quick. So I thought I would share this with you because I was 2 seconds from ordering some nachos from Veggie Girl, and I was like, wait a minute, girl, you got some stuff in your fridge where you could pull together something. You can make a little something out of nothing. So I will give you guys a little audio crunch. It is so good. It is so good. Yay! So since my meal only came out to be about 500 calories and my lunch was only about 400 calories, I have a ton of calories left for the day. I'm not hungry. That was really filling, despite the fact that, you know, I didn't put that many chips on it. So I baked some cookies. These are vegan cookies. They are already made. You just kind of throw them on the baking sheet. These are them. So it says one cookie is 160 calories. So yeah, not bad at all. I mean, I didn't technically make these, but the idea is just to show you that, like, being plant-based doesn't mean that you have to give up everything. There are alternatives for almost everything that you eat. There is an alternative for meat as well. So that's that. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want more of them, let me know. Love you.